Hello friends, welcome back to Market. Today is May 6th and I'm back again with another update. So as usual friends, let's begin with the monthly chart just for the benefit of new subscribers. So this is the range Nifty has been moving since 2008. These are the trend lines. This is 2015 highs and these are the fib retracement levels for the correction we have seen so far. Let's get to the daily chart. Let me turn on the triangles as well. Right. Um, so here is where we stand today, friends. Right between 38% retracement, 93.90, and 2015 highs. As I mentioned in my previous video, unless there is a breakout in one of the directions, it may keep going up and down between these two lines. Both this is a very strong resistance and this is a very strong support, and we have this trend line support as well. So we may see some ups and downs here until it breaks out in one of the direction. Right. Today we actually moved above the 20 EMA which we had broken yesterday, and we also I guess I think closed slightly above the pivot level, or maybe right at the pivot, monthly pivot. Right. Okay, so looks like, yeah, Nifty may be range bound between these two lines. The kind of candle it has formed today, a spinning top candle, may be hinting towards some up move. But let's see if this is taken away, or if this gets broken, or this will stop the up move. Let's see in the coming days. Until then, these are the resistance and support levels. 93.90 is a resistance, and then 50 EMA will be a resistance, and these trend lines will act as resistance. And towards the bottom we have this support, 2015 highs, and this trend line support. Below this, as I mentioned, friends, once we move below this, we have the fib levels for this rally, but I think we'll stick to these levels now. These are the critical levels within which Nifty will be trading. Sector wise, let's look at the sectors. So except FMCG, all the sectors have done really well. Bank especially moved more than 2%. Media was flat, IT was flat, energy was flat, right? So banking did really good, realty did good. FMCG had a very bad day, close to 2% loss. Let's look at some of these charts. Um, Pharma, as I had mentioned, is still struggling near the uh, top channel and the resistance here, the previous high. FMCG is also struggling. FMCG is also interesting, friends. So let me show the monthly chart. So this is a trend line FMCG is following actually. So this trend line is holding the rally happening since 2009. This was touched once during the recent correction. We are very close to the trend line. We are, I think, in this, if we take this month, we're hardly 3-4% away from this trend line. Maybe it will test the trend line again and react. Let's wait and watch. Right. Pharma, FMCG, Bank Nifty. Let's look at Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, friends, so look at this chart. Bank Nifty also has right. So this is the rally. This is the up move we saw since in the month of April, and then these two candles brought down Nifty to this level. And today we touched the 50% retracement of this whole rally. Right, we touched 50%, and it has formed a bullish candle here. It touched and sharply reacted and closed all the way a tad under 38% retracement of this rally. So this rally that happened in April on Bank Nifty went all the way till this trend line. I'll show you this trend line on the monthly chart. Right, so this was the peak that we did. This was the peak that we made. So this trend line is holding this rally since 2014, and this is where we actually reacted from in a daily chart. So this is where the reaction happened, and we fell sharply to back-to-back big red candles. We retraced 50% of this up move that we saw in April, and then we have made a bullish candle here. Let's see what happens tomorrow. Do we continue this correction, or is the retracement over and we move upwards again? We'll see that in the coming days. Right. Coming back to Nifty, that's pretty much as I explained. These are the resistances and these are the support. Nifty has formed a spinning top candle today. May result in some up move. Tomorrow is also options expiry day. Let's see what's in store for us tomorrow. Thank you, friends. See you again in the next video.